Now the Rumble SPAC merger just got approved, so it's going to be trading under the ticker symbol RUM this Monday, the 19th of September. Now this SPAC has been trading pretty volatile for the past month, and just after the deal got approved, the company shares are down around 20%. Now this is a perfect example of buy the rumor and sell the news. Now overall, SPACs are pretty volatile to trade, but I can make a complete video on SPACs, just let me know down in the comments. But if you don't know what SPACs are just a blank check company that merged with a company so it doesn't have to go through the whole IPO validation process, which in this case, the company will be merging with Rumble. But if you're trying to trade this only to trade Rumble, just know that the initial SPAC investors, mainly the management teams, will be trying to dilute the shareholders, pulling out their initial investments. And their shares aren't the normal publicly traded common stocks, these are actually preferred shares or warrants. But like I said, I can make a breakdown of SPACs in another video, but personally I just don't trade SPACs. They just have too much volatility around them, and there's not much known about most of their financial pasts. Now personally, I don't like long-term investing in SPACs or IPOs because these companies don't have much information to go off of financially, and I need to build some kind of report to see where the actual finances for the company will be in the future. Now we've already seen these overvalued SPACs come public and then just crash a year later, like QuantumScape, Clover, SoFi, and Matterport. But the list goes on. Now, not all SPAC mergers are bad or bad to invest in. It just seems like this one is overly traded on hype, and that's just not good for a long-term investment. And overhyped companies only seem to hurt the retail investor. Now, I completely understand the free speech following that Rumble has, but you just need to understand that how it's going to be able to monetize its user base for future growth. And with Rumble being a company valued at $2 billion, there's no excuse for its website to look like this. It needs to completely work on its services and products if it's expected to compete with companies like YouTube. But let me know down in the comments below what you think the future of Rumble is going to be and what other companies to take a look at. And like always, like or subscribe for more content like this.